Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today I'm going to show you how you can build an email list with your YouTube videos and how you can create a very simple and very effective lead magnet for each of your YouTube videos that will get you a ton of email subscribers really fast. Now, why would you want to build an email list? Simple, because you have more control over it and you own the data. At the moment, you are relying on YouTube to promote your videos to your audience. That might not always be the case. You don't know what might happen. They might change the algorithm, they might turn off certain features for an email notification. Some people might subscribe to 100 other channels and then forget about your channel, and YouTube is not sending them personalized notification when a new video is up. So in order to combat this, you can just create an email list, and whenever you're putting out a video, you also promote this video to your email list. That means maybe they get a notification from YouTube, but in any case and always they will receive your email newsletter with your new video. And that will make sure that in the future, whatever happens, you always have an option to connect and talk to your audience. Maybe YouTube shuts down in 10 years' time, who knows? But if you have every YouTube subscriber's email on your email marketing software, you can still send them the link to your new YouTube channel or alternative somewhere else and get them to watch your new videos on the other platform. It's also a great tool to promote any product and any service to your audience and to really use that to build a successful YouTube business. Now, what can you do to build an email list on YouTube? First of all, you have to ask people and tell them that they should subscribe to your email marketing list. You can tell them, you put a link down in the description. You can also share the same link in the pinned comment below the video. That will make sure that whenever they're engaging, reading the description or getting down in the comment section, they will always see a hint. They will always see the call to action asking them to subscribe to your newsletter. Now, this will work for a lot of people, but it will not be the most effective version to get as many subscribers as possible as quickly as possible. Now, what's a much better way to get YouTube subscribers to sign up for your email newsletter? By creating a lead magnet. A lead magnet could be anything that is useful for your audience that they want to have and they're willing to give up their email address. Now, you have to understand, giving someone their email address is an act of trust. You don't know what they're going to do with their email. They might take this and spam you every day. So by teasing them, you can overcome a lot of times this like little bevel of trust where they're like not sure if you're like legit and they should trust you with their email. But if you're offering them something of that much value, then they feel like it's like easy to overcome this little feeling of doubt. The value is much more important than the feeling of doubt. Now, what could be an easy way to generate a really powerful lead magnet? Often, the best lead magnet is the simplest one. And in case of YouTube videos, this can be a content upgrade. Now, you could go all crazy and create like a worksheet or ebook or whatever, personalized for each and every video, and then promote a different type of content each and every time. But I'm going to share with you a very simple lead magnet that works really well. And here it is. You're creating a transcript of your video. So people can print this out and read along at home. Now, how can you do this? I use two software tools to make this work. The first one is called Descript. This is a really powerful transcription solution. You can basically go into your video editing software, you export your video file, take your MP4, and then you put it into Descript. And Descript will transcribe your video with a very high accuracy rate. But not only that, it will also use punctuation. That's really rare, and you will see a lot of stuff that is transcribing something. They just like go on and on without point and comma. But Descript will, in 95% of the time, accurately set punctuation marks, commas, which makes it that much easier to edit. And then if you want, you can add certain screenshots that you mentioned in your video and basically turn your transcript into like a mini article. Save this as a PDF. So when they sign up for your email newsletter, they will automatically get this PDF document on their thank you page. I use a software called ConvertBox. You can create an infinite number of convert boxes to capture someone's lead, and whatever content you're promoting, you can send them to a different thank you page. This information will be sent to your email marketing software. They still might have to double opt in if you turn this on, and then they will be redirected to the PDF document. And there you go. This is a really powerful way how we can promote your transcript comment below each of your videos and really quickly grow your email marketing list. And if you want to know which email marketing software I recommend to start with, it's ConvertKit. You can get up to 1,000 subscribers completely for free. It's very powerful. It can set up powerful automations and tagging and features and e-commerce tracking inside. Now, if you want to learn more about the software, I put all the links down in the pinned comments below. And if you want to get more videos about YouTube marketing, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and you can also check out my blog timqueen.com/YouTube, where we have a ton of tutorials and articles about YouTube and how to grow a small YouTube channel from scratch. So yeah, make sure that you check those out, and I see you in the next one. Bye.